Hey friends, I hope you all are doing great. Friends, today we will be continuing our discussion with the Terraform that we had started in our last session. And in this session, I will try to run one more script which will be a bit advanced as compared to the last one. And we will see how we can execute the resources. Okay. So this is my Terraform instance that we had already initiated last time. Okay. I have logged in to this machine and you can see it here. Okay. So let me go to this directory that we had created, and this is the script that was executed, which is already there. So in this session what we are going to see basically is we will try to initiate our EC2 instances in the default region, which is US West 2 in this case. Along with that, we will also try to initiate in one more region, that is US East 1, and we will try to run an S3 bucket, which is again that will be in the US West 2. So the total there will be three parameters that we will be launching today, and at the end of the session we will see how we can destroy the resources one by one. Like if you remember last time we had destroyed all those resources at once. So if we need to delete or destroy only one resource, how we can do that? So that is something we are going to talk in this session. Okay, so without wasting time, let's get started. Okay, let me do one thing. See, since this is already, the script is already there, we will use the same script and we will modify this. So I will just, you can use VI or some other editors. I will use VI editor. I will try to editing this one. So you can see it's a provider AWS resource, like a region we had selected is US West 2. Then these are access key ID and secret access key of the IAM role. If you remember that last time we had created an IAM role named Terraform, and these keys belongs to that. So let's start. Now I will use another region provider AWS. The syntax will be same. Then I can copy all those things. Okay. So we will just need to modify, replace US West 2 by US East 1. Okay. US access key ID and secret access key will remain same. Okay. This okay. Seems this copied twice. Okay. Let me remove. Let me delete the rest of the things. Okay. So this is the first part. So now after the first part, let's okay, and here we need to do one more thing. Like since we are using two regions, it's US West 2 and US East 1 as well. So I will add something named as alias here, so that I will introduce something named as alias here, which is alias is equal to, I will give the name as northern. You can give any name. I will give as for Northern Virginia. Okay, so this part is done. So after this step, let's try to create two EC2 instances in each region, one in US West 2 and another in the US East 1. Okay, so for that we can use as resource AWS instance. You can refer this Terraform website to see the resource name and it's everything. Okay, what EC2 instance is referred to as. So this everything we will get from this website. Okay, I will share this website in the description. So for EC2 instance, AWS underscore instance, then we can give a name like my instance 01. Okay, and curly bracket open. Then here we can give it as AMI. So AMI, and see here we have referred alias because this is not the default region, hence we are required to enter the alias. Okay, and the default region is US West only. Okay, so please note this. So now I need to see the AMI ID for my US West 2 region, and then we will go and see find it out for US East 1 as well. So to find out the AMI ID, let's choose Amazon Linux 2. Let's choose this one. I'll copy this and ensure the region is you are selecting the correct region. US West 2 is belong to Oregon region. Okay, so I'll copy this AMI ID and put in inside this. Okay, then the next thing is instance type. So we can give it as t2.micro. Okay, and let's close this one. So now it comes for our AWS instance creation or launching inside US East 1, that is our another region. So for that we can do the same, everything will remain the same. AWS instance, let me give the name as my instance 02. So 01 is for US West 2, 02 will be US East 1. Then AMI is equal to, so let's see what is the AMI. For that, let's select the region as Northern Virginia, that is US East 1. Yeah, and we can choose this time Windows. Okay, so let's choose this AMI ID for the Windows machine and copy and paste here. Then instance type, let's continue with t2.micro. Okay, so that is also done, and here we need another thing named as provider. So here the provider will be AWS dot, and this is the alias. We need to copy this part and paste in here. Okay, since we are going to create this inside our US East 1. Yeah, so EC2 instance part is done. Now let's try to create an Aws S3 bucket. Okay, so in order to get the S3 bucket, we can go to here and let's see the usage. Yeah, so for Aws S3, it's Aws underscore S3 bucket. This is the resource type. Okay, so we can copy this directly, not an issue. Let's copy and paste in here. Let's give the name of bucket as bucket 01. Okay, then I'll keep the name of bucket as my Terraform. Yeah, the name should be fine. Okay, tags equal to, okay, everything is looks okay. Okay, and I will save this one. Okay, now we need to initiate the Terraform first. For that, let me do sudo. Then we need to go to the directory where our, since after sudoing our default directory has been changed, so let's go back there, and this is the directory where our demo file, that is Terraform configuration file is, we just modified. Okay, so let's me first initiate. For that we can use Terraform init. Okay, seems we got an error on line number 18. Okay, let's see what is the line number 18 here. Okay, it should be equal and not the plus sign. Is equal to, okay, yeah, now see, yeah, now Terraform has been successfully initialized. Okay, now the next thing will be Terraform plan, so that we can get a preview of what the things will get created. Yeah, if we scroll up, so see, the first thing will be AWS instance, my instance 01, that will be created. Okay, so the AMI ID that we have provided, instance type, the t2.micro that we have provided, everything looks okay. Then yeah, everything looks okay here. Yeah, the next thing will be Terraform instance, my instance 02. Again the AMI ID is fine, t2.micro. Okay, this looks okay. Yeah, and the next thing will be Aws S3 bucket. Okay, so there were total three things, and as per the Terraform plan output, the three things are going to get created. So let's initiate Terraform apply, and if we don't need to provide, say, let me show you, if we run Terraform apply, yeah, do you see here it's asking us to provide a response, like enter a value that is yes. Okay, so if we don't want, this to be prompted, instead of that, what we can do else is Terraform apply, and it's auto approve, we can provide as auto approve. Okay, so it won't ask us to provide the or enter any response. Okay, and click yes. Yes, you can see here it started automatically creating instead of waiting for us to provide a yes response. Okay, the requested bucket name is not available. Okay, we got an error because the bucket name, you can see the error here, error creating S3 bucket already exists. Okay, let's try to change the name of the bucket. Okay, because we have given the name as my tf test bucket. Okay, so it seems this bucket name is very common. And I will change the tag same name as the bucket name. Let me skip it and now try to run it once again. Yes, you can see here. So apply got complete, resources when added. Okay, let's now validate which all resources are created, and we can also see here these files like terraform.tfstate and terraform.tfstate.backup. These two files also got created. We can look into them then, and you can see which all resources are created. See, instance 01 got created. If we go down, so these are all, the rest are the features of AWS instance. My instance 01, what is the AMID, everything is there in the detail. If we go down, we can see the another instance, my instance 02 again, and its AMID and the details of the same. So basically the TF state file will capture all those detailed information. And another was my S3 bucket that we have created with the name bucket01. Okay, and its details, so you can see environment and etc. Okay, it looks good. Let's go to AWS console and validate the resources. Okay, so let's go to EC2 instance first. Yeah, and you can see we are in the Northern Virginia region, and this is the instance that we have just created using Terraform. You can see this is a Windows machine that we have created. Okay, this is the first thing. Then if we go to S3, yes, you can see this is the bucket, my TF test bucket. When this we created using the Terraform. And finally, let's see, let's change the region to, okay, let's go to EC2 instance again and change the region from Northern Virginia to US West 2, that is Oregon. And here you can see this is the another instance that we created using Terraform. Okay, so all those three resources are created. It means our script got successfully completed. So now do one thing, let's go to S3 and let's try to delete this resource, my tf test bucket ms01, this bucket, using Terraform command. Okay, so that we need is the resource. Okay, so we need to run this command terraform destroy, and if we just run terraform destroy itself, so if it will destroy everything, it will destroy all those resources. So we don't want to do that at this point of time. We just need to delete S3 bucket only. Okay, so let's use this syntax target, and we need to provide the resource type dot the name of the resource in the Terraform. So this is something. Okay, and let's try to put enter. Okay, now let's try to see how we can destroy only a single resource, that AWS S3 bucket, from Terraform. So it's Terraform destroy target, and just need to copy the resource type, that is AWS underscore S3 underscore bucket dot, this is the name which we are referring in the Terraform, and run enter. Yes, so you can see destroy complete, resource 1 destroyed. Let's validate the same. We click refresh. Yeah, you can see that that bucket got deleted. Okay, now if we need to destroy the rest of the things, then we can run terraform destroy without any further syntax and click enter. So this will destroy everything, like our rest of the 2 instances, it will be deleted. So it's still destroying the resources. So instance 01 has been destroyed, and now instance 02 is being destroyed. Okay, yeah, so all those, like both those resources are destroyed. Let's validate. Let's go to EC2. We are in the Oregon region, and you can see instance this got destroyed, this one. Okay, again if we go to Northern Virginia region, where we had another instance that was running, and even that got destroyed. So friends, I hope you got the point. Okay, like with Terraform we can individually destroy the resource, or we can destroy all those resources at once. And I hope it was fun. So friends, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Cloud with Mohsin, and stay tuned. Happy learning